What's going on, guys? This is Pay-Per-Click Crypto bringing you another fresh ICO review video, and today we're going to talk about another interesting ICO that may get your attention. The name of the ICO is Mobilink-Coin. But before we start this review, I want to encourage you guys to hit that subscribe button below and the notification bell right next to it, so that you will be notified for more exciting ICO reviews in the future, and you will have more chance to win $5 to $100 worth of Litecoin giveaways every single day. So Mobilink-Coin, guys. Mobilink-Coin is an ICO that originally based in two countries, Philippines and Canada. It is an ICO that targets the mobile advertising company, which is already around $200 billion now and estimated to reach more than $350 billion after 2021. Actually, Mobilink-Coin is the first company that integrates telecommunication into blockchain, and the good thing about it is that they are already partner with some of the biggest telecommunication companies in the world like AT&T, T-Mobile, and Vodafone, as well as Airtel in India and the largest telecom company in the Philippines this 2018, Globe Telecom, and other big telecom companies from around the world. In fact, the Mobilink-Coin SIM cards is ready to operate in around 190 countries from around the world. But the question is, what makes this ICO cool, and how the end users can benefit from all of this mobile advertising stuff? I've listed some of the cool features about Mobilink-Coin on what or how can users benefit from this technology. Number 1. By using the Mobilink-Coin SIM cards, you will have free unlimited voice and internet data for life. But the internet speed will still depend on your signal strength, location, and the existing infrastructure. But that is a great feature already. Number 2, you can use the Mobilink-Coin SIM card anywhere in the world at zero cost. So if you're traveling often from different countries or places, you don't have to purchase local SIM cards anymore just to get connected to the internet or call someone anywhere in the world. So Mobilink-Coin SIM cards is usable worldwide, and that is the number 2 feature of the Mobilink-Coin. Number 3, aside from getting free voice and internet data, Mobilink-Coin will allow each Mobilink-Coin SIM card user to earn daily revenue by viewing ads in your phone. Well, each smartphone user that uses Mobilink-Coin SIM cards can make between $40 to $250 worth of Mobilink coins per month, depending on how often you are viewing ads. And lastly, number 4, Mobilink-Coin is also partnered with MasterCard. They are going to create a prepaid card where you can transfer your Mobilink coins to your Mobilink prepaid card, and you can use it anywhere where MasterCard is accepted at any store, restaurant, or ATM machines. So those are the benefits of the end users from using the Mobilink-Coin SIM card. And to summarize it, Mobilink-Coin is not only help your mobile monthly bills, but also gives you another source of income. Actually, I'm very excited to test this Mobilink SIM card myself, because you know guys, right now I'm paying more than $130 per month for my 2 mobile plans in Globe Telecom here in Philippines, and it feels so big when you know that there is a free one right around the corner. I know a lot of you also feels the same as me, but the question now is, how can we get the Mobilink-Coin SIM card? All you need to do is purchase at least $300 worth of Mobilink-Coin in the ICO, because for every $300 worth of Mobilink-Coin is one Mobilink-Coin SIM card. Right now, you can still buy Mobilink-Coin with 20% discount. It will end on March 30. Their whole token sale will end on April 15, so that is about 20 days from now. Each token is priced around 10 cents per token. Actually, there is some downside when it comes to the price of the token because the total supply is 9 billion Mobilink coins. They are selling 3.1 billion tokens in the ICO or the token sale for 10 cents each, although they give discounts for certain periods. But 10 cents is that's quite bigger compared to other promising ICOs out there as well. Actually, as of now, the actual money that they have raised is only $5.3 million, and $3 million of it is came from private investors. Maybe the average Jaws, on my own speculation, maybe the average Jaws or investors got terrified of why it is so expensive. $5.3 million, actually $5.3 million is very far from their $20 million soft cap milestone. Actually, this ICO have above average hype and have big social media presence in both in Twitter, Facebook, and as well as their Telegram community. And they even have very big YouTube channel compared to other ICO. Their promotional video reached around 9 million views already. But anyway, a member of their team told me that all of the unsold tokens will be automatically go to the reserve funds and not to the circulating tokens, which is also good. Another good thing about Mobilink-Coin token sale is even if they cannot get the soft cap milestone, the project still continue because the product is done. The Mobilink-Coin SIM card is 100% ready and it will be distributed to ICO participants right after the end of the token sale. Now guys, I'm going to show you a working demo of a Mobilink-Coin SIM card from a member of their team itself, Brian Thompson.
Hey guys, it's Brian with Mobilink again. We're back with another video for you guys. We're here in the capital of Washington, Olympia. We're here at the State Building and we wanted to do another quick demo for you guys. This time we're going to be doing calling and showing data streaming at the same time. So I got a new phone today, so we're going to be calling this one using this Motorola, but I'm going to show you right here at the top. It says T-Mobile Mobilink. It's the same SIM from yesterday that was in the 8S Plus, so, or S8 Plus, I'm sorry. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make a phone call, and we're going to call this phone here. I'm going to put it on speaker, so it'll take just a minute. Sorry we didn't do this yesterday. Okay, so I'm gonna answer. Hello, testing.
Hello, testing.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Awesome. So, second, we're going to use the same phone. We're going to show you that it streams data and everything at the same time here. YouTube seems to be popular for streaming because of the bandwidth required. So we will just pick the first thing on there.
No sir, you're in
Okay.
Good evening.
Mr. Bean's always funny. Okay guys, there you go. There's another proof of concept video for you. We got more coming out for you from all around the world, so just stay tuned.
So that is the video. That is 100% proof that Mobilink-Coin SIM card is already working, the data and the voice. Actually, there are other demos aside from Brian Thompson. You can check it in their YouTube channel. Now, the last thing that we are going to look on this review is the review from the expert, or how the experts look at this project and the team behind this project. So we go to ICO Bench and see how the experts gives rate to this ICO. So they get an average score of 4.4 from 11 experts, which is quite good. Guys, do not worry with the KYC check compliance of Mobilink-Coin to the EML, because Their KYC checks will be done for all of their investors. You can see it in their dashboard here. Lastly is the team. The CEO, Rob Solijam, is a guy with 18 years of experience in the telecommunication industry, so he is quite special. The core team have many people involved in telecommunication, as well as they have a solid set of advisors both from telecommunication industry and the blockchain. They even have Nathan Christian, which is quite impressive. I think you don't need to worry when it comes to the team, because when I look at this lineup, I see a very solid team for the Mobilink project. So that ends my review with Mobilink-Coin, guys. I hope you find this review to be informative, and if you have any thoughts about this video, please feel free to comment it down below along with your Litecoin address in order to be qualified for the Litecoin giveaway. And now it's time for another Litecoin giveaway. Let me copy the URL of my last ICO review, shuffle it, our Litecoin giveaway winner once again is Berto Labs Crypto. Another great ICO that's a unique platform. Thanks for sharing some insight about crypto. Congratulations to you, Berto, and thank you to all the people that spend their time watching this video. See you in the next episode of our ICO review. Stay safe always. Bye-bye.